or you have a specific focus on certain areas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, link is posting. I'm posting link now. No, so we have nice, decent crew for today. It's so quiet day, but it's enough of us. Doesn't have to be long today, but yeah, I hope we have some questions as well. Just want to show you what I was looking at today. So I think we can maybe start with trading of today. It was pretty simple. I think I woke up here, like my Bybit is empty over here. I was just using other data for it, but I have all levels marked now for upside. So this is what is very important. So upside is the current move. So where did I wake up? That's the question. Here is 7 p.m. Somewhere here. I think anyway, the short was my first trade of the day. So yeah, I think, by the way, we have a guy in the group, he's called Mogu. He's from my country, and he's using ATAS very heavily, more than EXO. So he will give us levels of the previous ranges, because we cannot see in EXO charts so far away. There is 150-day limit in desktop version, so I cannot plot levels, but he saved us today, because look here, he gave me all levels until 60k. Session naked POC of previous, I don't even know, May or April. Crazy reaction, crazy. I was here and I was just selling on 2 accounts like immediately. Because risk, what is risk here? My risk was maybe here. But this trade is just, it must work, like 90% chance naked POCs are working for me. And if they don't work right now, I will just be closing a loss. That's it, But I would say maybe 8 of 10 trades, there is immediate reaction on naked POC, especially like this one. This we can call is legendary liquidity. It's resting there for so long, You have crazy people who are holding those longs or shorts, and they are waiting until they reach break even months. So if it takes longer, it can act very strong. So remember, okay, those legendary ancient POCs. So if I measure, yeah, my stop loss was very tight. It was 0.3% in my head. It was like mental stop loss. Yeah, I see. Like if there would be no reaction, I would be just jumping out, because this region is not region of resistance. Only this. Then we have just 0.866. Yeah. Also, yeah, this is gonna be tricky. So here was clean sell, very tight stop loss. Also here we had the resistance 1 weekly, and if we call here, I think that we had two resistance at the same place. Yes, I need to hide VIPs. This one. What is this one? Okay, nothing. Yeah, we utilize already pivots and resistance and supports from them, so they are important. This was the daily resistance one. It also gave you trade a few hours ago before the big rise, and then we have resistance one of the weekly. So very nice. Another confluence for you. And the last confluence for this trade was swing failure pattern. So what's the current high? So if you want really safe short, you will be waiting for swing failure pattern. But if you have nice level above, you can just sell here. What was advantage selling of here? What I personally do, it will be recorded. I need to do it live, but I had like 20k position here, starting position, yeah, because I don't want to risk much. But as we go down, I'm starting to, if I see on order flow, I'm starting to adding on market, yeah, like everything, like 5k here, 5k here. And as we go, I was measuring on the May move. It was like quick hands. After 0.5, I think I took some profit. But yeah, there was just maybe 20% shave off because the market was so crazy down. There was no reason to take it sooner. So if you want really safe position, yeah, you sell here, but then your stop loss is so wide. Yeah, already 0. Yeah, quite wide. It still gave good trade, but yeah. So this was the trade of the day. This trade made me 1%. So I was already pretty happy. All trades which I done after this trade was just extra for me. So easy. And then I had long from daily. This one I remember. So there was very nice long from daily. You are never greedy. And you are never greedy. Why? Because it was just bounce of 0.5. I told the group 0.5 and close, I'm taking the profit. I just know it's in my head, market moves in 0.5s, 0.7s, 1%. If it's counter trend, 0.5 is more than enough for you to take something like 50%, 60. So you make for stop loss, you are not risking anything. Easy. Then this was really amazing long, but I was going to lunch. I didn't took this one. And we can see why. It was also coming from pivots, FIPS at least. Look here. Bybit pivot, and here is the Fibonacci pivot. So I think Bybit pivot was not, was no exact reaction, but there was precise reaction from FIP pivot. Perfect.
And it was a golden zone again, I think.
Yes, we had golden zone. If you have aggressive pull, you have aggressive zone. But for me, it was 0.382, and it was here because I want to have the best pull possible always. This comes first for me. So 0.382, perfect touch as well. But yeah, you are right as well with golden zone. You mean this pull from this high?
No, I mean the major sellers golden zone.
Oh, sellers, okay. Yeah. Oh, 0.61 you mean was here? Because I was deleting it today.
No, the sellers golden zone is at the bottom, around 51,000, I think.
Oh, but it's like this level is not. It's just coincidence it was acting, but you always delete the level which gave you already trade before. Yeah, it was for sellers, so not for buyers. But yeah, it was just coincidence. Okay, cool. What else was happening here? And then so after lunch I turned back, I came back, and it was just golden zone trade over here. Stop loss pretty tight, pretty easy trade. I took profit, most of the profit at VWAP. Nothing hard here. And the last trade I had was the short over here. It was swing for I catch total bottom because there was nice XO. There was some absorption there, and there was swing for a pattern of this low. But yeah, also just 0.5% bounce almost. I mean reaction. Okay, we can measure here 0.5, almost precise. Very nice. You must take profit over here because the market is so slow today, and there is like hardly no volume. Yeah, so you will be taking profit at market structure support. Yeah. There are people trapped here, they were selling, then I want to escape with the break even, so pretty good take profit area. Nothing to think about. Also, I think this was the fifth trade of my, no, this was after lunch. No, but yeah, this was also good short, yeah. This was I was showing in the group. I'm not sure if I took this one or not. I think, yeah. Because 100 million longs here, you can clearly see them in exocharts. And this is how market works. This is the main basic of market. When you trap some range, traders, there is high probability there will be reaction on first touch. Some of them, they tried to escape. There was not much time, so some of them escaped. But when you're returning second time, as market pushes over, it is showing you those traders who wanted to get out are out. So first touch, high probability. Second one, very risky. Yeah, but yeah, sometimes it's like this. Yeah, you form new range here. So now we are pushing. There was zero reaction at golden zone, nothing. So only trade we can have right now is just swing failure pattern of this high, or we push higher. There is no other trade. I would not be shorting here. No way. Like my invalidation is too wide. Yeah. Even if I miss the trade, I don't care. Yeah. Too big invalidation. Yes, today we were talking with Yoda. That's what is very important. So never feel fear of missing out, because good trades are waiting for you, and you want to wait for market to come to you. So you choose your battleground. That's very important. I could have like 10-20 trades today, but I would be probably at zero, maybe at loss. Who knows? If you wait, market is gonna give you. We're not losing anything. So levels to the upside are marked. I just want to tell you what I had expectations, but I will tell you expectations. We need to see here. By the way, this was pretty nice pitchfork until we broke it, but it was amazing respect. Sometimes I use them. Now we need to go to VAs and find one. Find the one in which one is important. So we are utilizing a lot of VAs past few weeks, maybe past 2-3 months. They are really important. And we can see this is 2021 volume. Like this is big range, yeah? And now you can see why we are playing around this area so much. Because there is really decent volume. There was decent volume before here. We already added to the volume, but it was really nice volume peak. So a lot of playing around, and right now Bitcoin has really 2 choices only. To make volume, maybe chop here a bit, or high probability option, just shoot through the low volume region and go up to the next resistance. And we can see the volume is starting at 53,600. That's really first, but yeah, the major volume is over here. By the way, this area I consider a very good area for short. For swing shorts. My ideal scenario is gonna be, we have a lot of levels here. We have a lot of monthly, there is monthly naked, we can check it. My idea is we ideally take out those highs, big swing failure pattern, and immediately crazy strong reaction down. That's what I want, that's what I see in my head. I would be very cautious to, until we take out this liquidity, it's gonna be a bit more risky. We will see. That's the thing, because someone was telling me there is a order block here. There are some order blocks here. I think one is here, one is here. I'm still learning about order blocks, so I cannot say precisely. Anyone who is anyone here who knows order blocks or not? Nobody. Everybody's listening. Okay.
Indeed. No, not me.
Yeah, we need Slice. Slice is order block guy. Yeah, today. Okay. Because I called All Stars into chat, but I want to. You legends are like important because I don't know. Maybe all of people should join us. And never mind. So yeah, we have no volume here. So we can just cut through this level because it was just huge drop here. So market just push. So doors are open. So in this area, I will be very safe and very cautious with shorts. There will be much smaller size than I use. Not much, half leverage. Also, Yoda was showing us interesting idea. Yes, if everyone is looking at this level, we can just ignore the level and push through it. Maybe there will be little reaction for scalpers, which we like, but then we can shoot through and maybe go to this another resistance, then continue down. So stop out all these golden zone sellers because now world is watching. We do not have much resistance from golden zone already. So I think everyone has this marked. So be careful. Be careful, and I want to see just precise reaction from this level. This is gonna be entry for me as a scalper. Precise reaction, weak and down, tight stop loss. That's what I want to see. And if we get our trade and we continue up, then this is our first resistance. We have 2 dailies here. In the past, they acted pretty well. Let's have a look if I have them on the chart. You can turn on VAs. Monthly, daily. Yes, they are here. No, they are not here. Why they are not in the chart? Because I tried to mark only naked dailies. They are the most stronger one. They are the strongest one and the most important ones. We can see 2 here. But those dailies, which I have on the chart, they are from inside the range. They are always weaker because they already played out. But, for example, this daily. I want to show you because I did video about daily, but sometimes it doesn't have to be like clear. For example, this daily is pretty okay because it was defining bottom. Okay. So we have multiple dailies like this, and yeah, they need to be marked. We have lost so much from, yeah, never, of course, never mark daily from inside, like inside shop. And yeah, I'm on 4-hour chart, so you need to tell me I'm on 4-hour chart. I'm blind. Here we are. I was looking at why I see so many dailies and I do not have them. What the fuck? Yeah, so this one. This daily, when we go here, 50 minutes. You can see it's all daily, but it was providing support. Yeah. So, and why? Why I was thinking this daily can be interesting. Because we traded here. There was not so playing around this daily. So, and then we cut through it, and then it became resistance. 1-2 touches. That's why I consider this old daily strong one. Like not strong one, worth to be marked in your chart. Because there was reactions after here and here. So there is now, today we had reaction from it here. Clean. I'm still keeping the daily. We will see what's gonna happen, but it's now weaker. And then yes, so I expect same reaction from these 2 dailies here. That's why they are marked on the, it's a nice region, was support for the market. So yeah, we will see. I think we will see reaction from them. They are ready. We have R2 weekly here and R2 monthly. So perfect region for some nice scalp. Let's continue up. I think there is not much to talk about here. I just want to explain levels because I think it's important too. So yeah, again from Mogu Mogu we have 2 session naked point of controls. We've seen reaction today, what is capable of this old session naked point of control. So we'll be ready here. And then I mark this. It's a high volume node. It's starting from 54,000 to 50K. I will be marking these levels like this because you cannot have high volume node at the exact point. It's always area. So when you breach this area, market can slow down and give you a lot of scalps, a lot of shorts in this example, yeah, or longs. It's just high volume node and there will be playing around. Like there is low chance you just shoot through high volume node, really low chance. And then we have this, another big resistance. Okay, value area high of 2021. So big managers who are trading quarterlies and monthlies and big time frames, I think they will be taking some profits at this place. Yeah, 2021 value area for them, it must be some kind of target. We will see. Only thing we are missing is just volume, big volume here, so we need to be cautious. This is the range POC of 17 April and 17 May. Yes, this is the range. Let's hide. Let's delete. Daily's hide. Okay. I think it was, yeah. Need to go here. Not marked here. I mark this range because this is the naked liquidity for Bitcoin. We've traded this, yeah, a lot of time, but now this is the most like closest liquidity to Bitcoin. So you need to mark this range. Now, so where is the range starting? We can go with this candle. Here is the leaving candle. We go to this candle. So really, what is the level? 52,677. So yes, this range is gonna be immediate range for Bitcoin. So we need to mark levels from this range. I'm going to do it, I think today. I'm not sure if I have this exact range, but yeah, we need point of control. We need value area low, and value area high is very small. So I think we actually do not need it. It's nothing, but yeah, this one is pretty okay. Needs to be marked. This is just secondary range, but yes, we need to always have levels marked. Okay, and then we continue up. Not much things here. Another naked point of control. Yeah, this is gonna be main resistance area. And also I marked from this 58k, from 55,800. This area had a lot of symmetrical volume, so until 58k, this big area here, this is gonna be good area for swing shorts. Yeah, if you want to ladder positions, this is gonna be your place. Because volume here is like on the VA is like same, so we have a lot of like, we cannot even we have one point of control up here, but we have like secondary point of control like this area, big area. So for swing shorts we are waiting here from 56k, from this region to 58k. And then 50, yeah, we will see, because I would like to see swing failure pattern over here. So we are ready for upside, and for the downside I still need to do analysis because I have a trading plan open. We'll be doing it after our chat. It will take some time because I want to mark, we have these new tabs, so in liquidity area I will be doing maybe new video about trading plan because it's now changed again, so people who are watching, they have no clue of some things here, so I can just explain you. Liquidity grab area is gonna be this. We go to high block, we go to, for example, buy bid is fine, tier 2. We want to see where is juicy retail waiting, but yeah, I think the Binance is gonna be better because here tiers are for bigger positions. We can try tier 2. Okay. Yes, I don't even, yeah, look here. This was a liquidity area. You grabbed all of the liquidity, you like stabilized and then went down, so yeah. But it's much better visible at tier 2. Let's go for upside now. People are crazy, they are still shorting like crazy. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, I need to open this tool more often. The trading is gonna be even more easier for us. This is what you want. This is what you want. High, like those were crazy shorts from this range. Yeah, they created very like a lot of bands. The more together, the better. For example, this is not a high, like a liquidity grab. There is nothing to grab here. But here, look here, the price went exactly to grab all of them and then to finish them like here and stopped. And now we have the gap and the price stopped, okay? Because there was no liquidity ladder to continue. So you will be looking, and now if we get a huge pump, maybe to here, and we have some, like you take out all these shorts and you have strong resistance here or here, you will be looking for shorts because this might be like end of the move based on liquidity. So this is another confluence for us. It's pretty strong one. Now we have nothing here. So, but we need to build it, yeah, because people will be shorting here. Then maybe we make a new liquidity. Look here. Oh, that's nice one. 134 million at 52,218. Always make in your mind it's a liquidation 50x. Okay, so he needs just how much? If it was 10x, he would need 30 million. Yeah, it's just a couple of millions, you know, for him to liquidate. So he will not cause, but what I like, what I'm watching is usually like 2 to 300 millions and 25x. This is very tasty because this is 10-20 million orders on the market, and they can wipe order book a bit. Yeah, ideally more together. So I will be marking these areas. They will be, if I see really, it needs to be like interesting for us. I will not be marking any liquidity. Let's have a look one more time for the downside. Where is liquidity now? What we built. My tip is going to be before I watch. My tip is going to be maybe 50k, 49k, 48, 300, 47, 400. Let's see. that's where our supports are, but yeah, that's also you can hear me well, yeah? It's okay all?
Yeah, it's fine.
Cool. All right, let's go. Let's go to the downside. Bad pull. It's a bit laggy. Yeah, I think tier 2 is fine for Binance if you will be using it. Tier 1 is just too small fishes, it's not worth a look. Let's go again. Even this is okay, but I would like to just zoom. Yeah, this is better. Crazy. So yeah, this is big liquidity band, and look here, we have huge person here. 49,000, that's what I said. He's still there. Crazy guy. The guy was waiting for this guy. We get it before, like 2-3 days before, yeah, but we didn't get it. So main liquidity starting over here. So for sure I will be marking from this point to this point, main liquidity, like those red colors. And then I will be marking in the trading plan, I will be marking exactly this big guy with 256 million or 260. And now we need to zoom a bit so we see more better. Yeah, it's really packed. This is going to be hard. Yeah. Look here, we didn't even, yeah, this is nothing, we have not much liquidity. From this latest push up, no, not much, everything's below. Classic. It's just funny why they are always saying like 256, 265 is like limit or what? Don't understand why. On Bybit is more diverse. It's like 140, 110, 1 million, 100 million. But those biggest guys on Binance usually same size. Don't know why. Bybit is more cleaner. Anyway, order flow on Bybit is working much better for out trading. But Binance is fine. But Bybit sometimes do just alone swing failure pattern. So Bybit is, I would say, more clever traders are on Bybit. And here is also clean. So that's what I need to do, the decision. Like if I will be looking at the Binance as well for liquidity area or not. That's the only thing I'm thinking about. But this is very clean here as well. Big one. Look here, so many. And here is some big guy. It's just 50x. It's not so much. Okay, anyway, I spent so much time on this, never mind. What else we can look for? What is the spot doing today? I hope you guys are using that template. Just 2-3 times a day, you just watch it. So you have view what is spot market doing. Now it's a bit tricky. Like we have big supports from spot, but I don't know what they are doing because now they are not here. Now they are appearing. So what are they doing, I like for bottoms, to be stable like this. They are not disappearing. Also this is your big powerful signal. I know people who just trading from this, for swings. They don't care about this. This is nothing. This is just spoofing. But they wait for blue and white colors and very, very wide bands. How was this one? I don't even check today. So we need to have a look. How was the scalping template for Bitcoin doing? Oh, no signal at all. There was big selling pressure. You can see it here, but it was all of them were eaten. Okay, all shorts wrecked, and now market has not even giving clear signal. Like order books are neutral. So that's why we range. When you see this, there is high chance market is gonna be ranging. It's no undecided market. Aggregation is pretty fine, 250. So aggregation is bullish. But actual order book on Binance is just neutral. There's nothing special. Ethereum. Let's go day trading. This one I don't even watch so much because we have better one from spot. And Ethereum, maybe sometimes Ethereum is giving signals if Bitcoin is not, which was case today a bit. Yeah, when you have such a shrinkage, you are not taking. It's very risky to take trade because market is so undecided. Look here. Also, we can see. It was just single buy who hit like a lot of shorts. It was so shrink. It's nothing special on Ethereum. This template was not much useful today because we pumped. So yeah, we pumped and we they are not clearly defined. Now it's easy to say, yeah, because we have volume here in the middle. But I was trying to read this today and it was not possible. It's not ranging day, like it's ranging day, but it is calculating the push as well, which is breaking this template. Core TPO, where is core TPO? Yeah, this I need to do a separate video about initial balance. I'm sometimes giving snip like small peaks. Probably you know it. But today was perfect inside trading day. When you can't breach initial balance, there is just 80% chance or something you will be ranging until you break it. We can see support here, initial balance, resistance here. You need to just watch closes on 30 minutes. That's what matters. So here was the big candle, but we closed inside. So this was bearish signal. Bearish signal for those people who are trading just this TPO. That's also why we want to know a lot of tools. I don't want to place on you trading paralysis. You know too much stuff. But for example, if you know TPO well, you know what TPO traders are seeing. Okay, so you can add it to your Confluence. And they saw we just pumped through with a wick, but we closed inside. For them, this was a bearish signal. Yeah, because we also created selling tail and swing failure pattern and into resistance. So this is another Confluence for your trading. Now they even can, like some of them have wider stop loss, they start selling here. Because sometimes you see big selling from middle of the range. They have just wide stop loss, yeah, and big different money management for this. And we see the candle closed under initial balance low. So bearish, and then we had another, like you had literally people selling when this candle closed, and they get some nice trade into our support. So from this point of view, this template was working perfectly today. Also during weekend, be careful, yeah, because CVD is working less. Also market profiles are a bit distorted. Everything is distorted. You are missing the big volume. Even today, yeah, we are missing America. So a bit tricky. We want full volume day. Also, someone was asking me what is the most volatile day of the week. I will get some data. I think I was seeing it somewhere. I'm not sure. I think it's Wednesday or Thursday. One of these days. It's easily, you can easily track this. Okay, so this is really breakout. So this template you really need to start merging. And as you go sideways and the ranges are at the same place, you can merge them, no problem. This one is same, you can be merged. And now this is going outside of this range, so you will not be merging, you will stop here. We have perfect POG here. What is the value? 50,200, very nice. So we have naked point of control here. We have CME gap here. We have pivots, but I don't think we get these pivots today. But it is already shaping up to be good support when we go down. Also, I want to see, maybe we go under 50k takeout stop losses. Not sure if there will be any, because 50k is psychological. But yeah, there should be bounce from this level, like exactly. It's very strong. All volume here, pretty strong. So this range is waiting. I'm not going to delete this. I will keep it for myself, so I need to mark it to Bybit. And then we start merging over here, because this was big range for us. It is going pretty fine to the bottom, yes. Let's see if we get some naked poke. Oh yes, we are getting him. Yes. I want to see what's the number. 47. 47. 237. My TV is looking funny. These exo charts. It says everything's small on 4K and needs big zoom. But I'm never. That's why I like TV trading. I have, even if I'm 1 minute scalping, I have big overview over the market. So I'm not zoomed in. I like it. It's advantage. Everything's big. This POG needs to be marked as well. Very nice one. And I want to see if I start merging more. Yes, this can be. Can merge all of them to get maybe more volume and secondary POGs. Yeah, we remember this range. It was very nice trading. So many trades from this POG. It was crazy. Yes, I think this range is pretty nice. So we have this POG down there. Then you can merge this range. So you have, I think POG will be somewhere here. And also you need to do big merge as well. So you have this range, and now we can merge all of them together. So we get a really big overall picture. I hope the POG is not moving, or maybe not whole, but. And now we have different view, yeah. I think this range we have right now here. I would range all of them, like the best range we have, you need to mark is not merge this one, but merge from here to here and mark value area high. Okay, I will do it because I need to do it for myself. Okay, so how many? 20 of August, today is 5th of September. Okay, we go 13. Cool. Yes, 49k is key. It's also in trading plan already. Is it there? Not yet. Okay, I need to add 49k as well. Okay. So yes, I'm going to print screen this one. I'm also doing a bit analysis for me, so you see. So yeah, this range mark value area high, point of control, and value area low. Mark it. This big range, we are trading it for 2 weeks, so it's gonna give reactions. Very little doubt there will be no reaction. Let's have a look what we got here. What is doing Bitcoin right now? What is he doing? 1 minute. Just stopping at the top of the range, nothing special. Here is I'm using this window just for anchored VWAPs. It's anchored VWAP Kingdom chart for me, as all of them are important. If we get a downside will come, yeah, nothing go up forever. If we get it, this, I'm glad they are far away, because they will be giving reactions, especially if two anchored ones cross each other. This is gonna be a strong region. You already know these pools I was showing, I think before. And also Also, how you want to use the anchor VWAP, like more recently, you always find when did you start another push up, like more stronger. So you should like really pull from here. Sometimes it will, of course, align with your classical VWAPs like monthly, weekly, and so on. But when you have impulsive move or strong move, you will be starting from bottom. Like we pull Fibonacci, that's what we do with anchored VWAP. And you can see very wise decision. If you had this VWAP, for example, for supporting market here was like very wide, but here, like here, look here, perfect touch, 1, 2, perfect. Like I don't want to go too crazy. Like I don't know who was that doing, Carlos, like he was pulling from like crazy points, like it's too many anchored VWAPs. But for sure this is good pull, because this is looking like a really good bottom, and we just go up. Let's have a look one more time from this low or this low. Let's have a look. Oops. This one is far away. I do not pull it like this. I like more long term. I'm not going to pull a 50-minute. I'm just looking if it's working, like, because this is, we can say, defining like low for this push up. Okay, but it reached very close, but it was probably monthly VWAP or other VWAP, not this. 5th of September. It's just too short term, you know, crazy. No need to complicate. Pivot's working fine. By the way, this is what I use for crypto news. Maybe I told you already, but yeah, I mark this crypto panic. When something big is happening, I always like refresh here, and I already people are pushing this strong. Yeah, this was, for example, nice news. But yeah, if something big is happening, it's gonna show here. Yeah, this is article I need to read. It's going to the end. This is, by the way, classic market trick. There was, when you came to this page, there was like 20 news from Ethereum, about Ethereum at the same day. It was the day when the Ethereum made this 10% pump. So it is true, someone was writing like behind. When they want to manipulate market, that's what they do. Like they release bullish news on all information portals, and of course Ethereum is going up. Everybody suddenly bullish. There was easy. This was easy pump for Ethereum based on news, so many news. But yeah, they could be right. I mean, NFTs can push Ethereum to 5 to 10k for sure. Easy. This is not the top of the mania. No way. I survived 2 cycles. In one was I was hodler, and second one I was trader already. So this is nowhere near to mania. And NFTs, by the way, they are seeing the first triple volume for the past few months. We just made volume of all these past 2 months, past 2-3 months. So it's triple volume. But this, when you have breakout in volume, it's rarely the top for the market. It's just breakout. So we need maybe 1, 2, 3 months of this big volume, like rising. And it will take Ethereum. So I think maybe Ethereum can actually resume a true bull market for Bitcoin, like take it to all-time highs. It will be very unusual. Maybe it's not gonna happen. I'm not sure. I don't like predictions, but based on what I see, it can be possible. Like Ethereum makes first all-time high, then Bitcoin follows. Because usually Bitcoin follows, then other follows. But now, in this cycle, we are led by NFTs and crypto games and so on. Okay, here I'm educating still about high block. This is not trading. Where is trading light? This is gonna be last thing we just check. I just want to show you. Oh yeah. What is important about trading light? You need to know when someone is pulling out the order or when the order is filled. How do you know? You want to see the candle touch. Like go inside the order. If it's not going inside, it's not activated. You can see it's still continuing after. Look here. This, for example, this order was filled. Okay, this order was filled. This one as well. This one cancelled. You need to watch it really on smaller time frames. This one was not filled. Was just maybe partially filled, but not full, because the wig is not going inside. Someone was taking profit. This is not important. What is important is this one, because this order was quite big and then it came like happened to be a weaker a bit. Just need to refresh. Okay. So this order, it was quite big. I think this was 200 Bitcoins or something like that. Yeah, 200, this color. So it you need to be aware that there is a bigger order. For example, on Binance, it can cause a range, which it did. Yeah. For example, you could be selling here. Usually, market when forms range, it's like you can be selling here very tight stop loss if you have Confluence. This is not primary tool I use for trading. But if you have Confluence, you can do. And you had Confluence, you could be trading based on swing value pattern of this high. I was sleeping here, but I would take it for sure. I would take swing value pattern over here. It was too easy trade. Then that's what you want to see. This is, by the way, the best signal. The order was truly filled, like the candle pushed through fully. And when we go here, I think what the market participant do. I'm trying to think as a market maker. I'm reading some stuff about it always, and I think they weakened the order, but they employed maybe rest of the capital to push market down or protect the order, because what big traders do, they never fill full limit. For example, I do that. I take limits sometimes, but just 30%. Yeah, when at strong level. I want to have starter position and then add to it. But if they are really big, they can also have starter position, maybe 50% of their capital, and the rest they will be placing aggressive shorts on the market, so they protect the. You will see that very often, like here, like they protect their orders. They are not stupid, yeah. They need to do it. It's not just when you feel limit and you leave market like this. It's not good. There always must be market sellers pushing. So not always, but it is important. So Binance, but okay, Binance. This was just Binance order. Most of the time I watch Bitfinex. This is flagship of spot trading. Okay, some new orders adding. This is not much. Anyway, I already said what I like in video. This is what I like. This is your high probability trade. Big bands, huge order, 1000 Bitcoin plus. Protected heavily. You know, there was there was protection on market. You could see like bids and so on. This is what we want. If you want, like you want to always go with bigger guys. So this is your chance. Okay, this chance is not happening often, because they can hide orders on Bitfinex. But this was very cocky from those entities, or I don't know who was that. They said, okay, we place big orders here, and okay, we show the market. And they show the market. What is best part of it is you can really limit your risk, because it was swing for a pattern of these lows. So your risk is very tight and you can go higher leverage. I would go 3x leverage here or 2x if I had like technical analysis, because those orders, when they are bands, like big bands, they are usually placed on good technical levels, not random. Okay, so I just went through everything, a bit mix of everything. So what we're missing today is I'm missing downside targets, downside supports. I will be marking them inside the trading plan. This is gonna be outside our talking. No, I was talking today a lot today, but I hope it's not a problem. I need to.
That's fine.
Okay.
Fine.
I always like to explain everything and repeat. Why not? So today pretty easy trading. We have plan to the upside, and plan to the upside we just need to mark level. I already showed you a lot of naked point of controls. 49k, 50,200, 48,300, and 47,400. These is our immediate levels. I like each one is 1,000 almost, I can say. Cool. So I think that's it from me for about technical analysis. And if you have questions, let's go. If you want to talk about anything. or everybody likes to listen today? You have time, Sakrif, today, huh? Well, kids are sleeping. What?
Well, yeah, they're sleeping. One is about to wake up now. Actually,
Oh,
so,
no.
yes. Oh, well, it happens.
Eating time?
Yeah, eating time, yes.
Wow, nice. Can't imagine family with trading and stuff. But yeah, maybe
Yeah,
like,
it can be hard sometimes, but well, I manage.
yeah, I think with yes, because I'm with girlfriend for a long time, so family is coming probably next year maybe, or I don't know, maybe a year later. But yeah, that's gonna be hard for scalping. It's not easy. But I think my goal is 1 or 2 years really like strongly scalp, learn everyone you trade, and I think this is gonna be a lot of time to, so everyone is profitable in the group, like core. And maybe yes, teach more people, so they can also enjoy time, because I'm scalping quite a lot of time. Scalping is great for when you want to build your account fast. If you are a good scalper, you can I can do big percents from small accounts. In my mind, I just change. I want to do one more account like this and show this PNL, crazy PNL maybe, if I have time. But yes, you just change in your mind. It's like bigger account. Yeah. So that's the plan. And also, when you made not a lot, but then you have enough money, then you can be hybrid. So scalper mixed with a day trader. We hear your phone. Cool. So yeah, scalping is usually first phase of trading, and then you switch to more like day trade and hybrid style. So you take only the best trades, and yeah,
Trying to get there.
Yeah, but I think it's addiction for trading. At least for me. So I don't know how I will rid of it. Yeah, it's okay, If there will be family, then babysitters come and they help, so I can trade.
Yeah, neat.
Babysitters.
Babysitters, yes. Is it popular in your countries, babysitters?
No, it's a nice explanation, I think. But
yeah, is it expensive to hire like this?
A real babysitter.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not really expensive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you have people from like my country and Eastern Europe, like they come, to West Europe to do this.
Yeah, true.
So it's cheap, yeah. And in the US, it's quite popular, I think, yeah. Mr.
Well, from the business standpoint, it is. It is from the business standpoint, right? If 3 or 4 hours of babysitting, if you pay them, $40, $30, whatever, you're gonna make that back in one trade, and some. So from a business standpoint,
it's just weakening family, right? A bit.
Well, I mean, you're gonna have to balance that out too. That's where you're gonna have to figure that out. But I think that even other things that can be done too, that take time out of your day. Can I pay someone else? So especially if you're gonna make that money back, in one solid trade, in a few minutes. So.
Yeah, exactly. And do you manage with your family? How old are your kids?
I'm lucky, man. I don't have any kids. I have a lot of nieces and nephews, so it's just pretty easy.
Oh, it was Lixkio. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to manage that.
Nice.
I just gotta make the wifey happy here and there, and we're good.
Yeah, good plan. Yeah, so Lixkio, you manage with kids. How old are they?
Yes, I manage. I need to, but I have them for 50%. But also my day is packed with work. Just my regular business.
Okay.
It's full, but it's I like the time with them, and I also can hire a babysitter or something. But it's also quality time. They are so young, so I can put somebody else to stay with my kids, but they're also my own kids, you know. Just I also want to spend time with them, and I love them, you know. I want to give some real love. If I'm just the full day behind my PC and don't see them, yeah, that's also bad, you know, for me personally.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's your regeneration, and yes, I
Yeah, it's my
understand.
blood. I need to care of them, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand. Cool.
Yes.
So
Yeah, I will watch for the biggest part. I could not follow because I was busy with some other things. But I will rewatch the YouTube tomorrow. So that's nice.
okay, no problem.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, by the way, we stopped at 0.86 about trading. I said if we take out golden zone, then this is the last we can, and yes, and then swing for a pattern. So okay, there was trade here, but yeah, market is very slow. This needs to be changed now. This needs to be changed to just POC. Maybe gives another reaction. Today, by the way, guys, was very unique situation with this so many longs. But this is what when you see something like this, like market is going up and the open interest is going down. This is another, like you are looking for shorts actually when you see open interest going down. But yeah, it was tricky here. Even if you shorted here, there was not much reaction. But this is not healthy rise. This is not healthy. Healthy rise is always on open interest going up. You just must add transactions, not lose. Crazy. And this bearish CVD. I remember those times. They will be confusing people, so we need to be careful. Yeah, I've seen guys here like calling like Randler like 100 million longs trapped and so on. I was saying that too as well, but it needs to be careful during this phase of market. They can easily get untrapped like they did just now. And what is the... This was very... yeah. This template we need to use more. Okay, so it's bearish. Yes. So perpetuals, all of them, all of the exchanges are still very, like they have better divergence. And spot market was, yes, also bearish. People are just buying more, you know, but the price is not making higher highs. So we can invalidate, but yeah, it's not happening today. So yeah, this is pretty big bearish divergence. So if you see these, yes, you have some shorts at 0.86. It was a very tight short. And then, yeah, that's tricky because then when you do swing for a pattern, you negate these bearish CVDs. But yeah. Okay. And trading plan, a lot of work will be done today on it. How many trades you had, Sakrif, today?
I think about 3, not too much.
Okay, it's pretty nice.
I can look at the chart when when I'm on my break during work. And
yeah,
well, I saw a good one.
And you take it from phone? You have 2 phones or 1?
I take it from phone, but I look at the chart on the PC.
Oh, okay. At least like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was on holiday. It was hard to trade from phone.
So, oh yeah, I know it's hard. I did it only once in the car with 2 phones. Like you said as well, one with extra chart and the other one.
Yeah, it was crazy. Yes, this trade. I just do not like it. You cannot see order book on the phone. Oh, it's just missing, and even an Exo is much better on. So
Yeah, for
important, so you don't take profit early or late. So important. But this market is just, it's crazy, If you can read that this template, you just won. This template is just important. 50 million longs up, and now they are wrecked. 50 minutes, 50 million down. Now when they are wrecked, market is pumping. Fuck about this. Oh,
That's how it works, right? When you close your long or your short in the red, it does the
Yeah.
opposite. So.
Yeah, but and
That's
you
awesome.
had big long here, by the way. You had not big, but no, you had long here. This is crazy absorption. 60 million absorbed at one place. Oh my god, this is big.
That's a short though, right? Or is it close?
It was short triangle. Like, yes, this was longs closing.
Oh, okay.
But when they are closing, they are shorting market. But someone absorbed all of them. All of them.
Yeah, it's not going down. You're right.
So the trade was here. When you see 60 million, immediately as you leaving this is just pure order flow trading. As you are pushing up, you can enter. You place very tight stop loss under this. This is crazy. You rarely see 60 million holding like this on one place. Now the time is, I want to just check what CVD did. It should be bullish. Need to, where is that? Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, bullish CVD. Someone just absorbed everything. 60 million short. What the fuck? That's pretty big. It's just local, anyway. When you compare here, yeah, the more long term is bearish, but yet there was absorption. Like 60 million, this is pretty big. It's VWAP, yeah, so I see. VWAP is used always by institutions to unload or load their position. So VWAP is always strong area because of this. So everyone's busy today. I was just maybe talking too much.
Well, no, not a lot, not too much.
Not too much. That's
explain
good.
everything okay, yeah.
Yeah. Then people from archive they can watch very useful news for sure. So Josie, you are new here, so tell us something about you. How did you start trading, and how is group helping you, and so on?
Yeah, so I first started trading end of 2017. Yeah, so obviously
Okay.
very good for a few months and then bear market for a few years. But I guess throughout that I was kind of continuing to build up my knowledge and and then I've kind of got into it a bit more seriously in the last 6 months, I would say. And
Okay.
yeah, just really trying to build my knowledge and my skills. I work full time as an engineer, so I'm kind of limited time at evenings and weekends and things. But yeah, doing what I can, and so far I've found this group really, really helpful. A lot of kind of, particularly the order flow stuff wasn't something I'd used before.
Okay.
So yeah, really diving into EXO and building some skills there, which is been really cool so far.
Nice. And how many hours do you have for trading per day?
Oh, it kind of varies. Yeah, varies a lot. Sometimes maybe 2 or 3 in the evening. Other times I can do longer weekends, or I just work 4 days a week at the moment, so I also have Monday.
Yeah. So as an engineer, you work 50 hours a week. This is average.
No, less than that.
That's
I'm not working part time, so I took kind of an extra day off. So just working the 4 days.
That's
So,
pretty cool. So you will have
Yeah,
time for trading for sure, and for learning.
that's the plan. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very nice. And so yeah, and you were profitable before or no? You were just at zero or going down?
Yeah, profitable. Yeah. But mostly kind of longer term swing trades. Yeah, and I think I was generally accumulating in the bear market as well. So kind of it's
I see.
maybe hard to tell how much is, you know.
Yeah. And did you hodl? And you still hodl?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I hope you will learn a lot here. And make sure when you
But yeah,
when you go because now you see it's still quiet. Maybe we have 10 legends joining. I think it's gonna be more busy. So actually, right now, guys, you can ask more questions. So prepare any question, and I will help you. If it's something is not clear for you, when we have 50 legends, this is gonna be complicated a bit. So this is gold times for now. So
you mentioned there about VWAP having an influence.
Okay.
I was just wondering, like, how close before the liquidity from VWAP starts coming generally.
You can see it's sometimes it's front running the VWAP, but
Yeah, that's what I've noticed, and I'm kind of wondering if you have any advice on that.
yeah, but I do not like today's VWAP, for example. It's choppy inside too much, I do not like this. When the VWAP is acting the best, it's showing you yesterday. When you go far away from it and then you return to it and retest it, that's the best. For example, like here and here. When you chop around, this I don't like it. It's too choppy. The best VWAP reactions are always when you go too far away from it, but it's in videos. Like $1,000, $2,000 from VWAP, perfect. When you go to VWAP, it's high probability trade if you have something else there. Like this one, yeah, like we were trending up, then we come to VWAP, retest. It was, for example, I think it was golden zone 0.96 with golden zone touch, and then you go up. That's how I like VWAP. And when it's too choppy, I don't like it. If it's too choppy, then you will be looking for anchored VWAP. So make sure to check this video about anchored VWAPs, and you make your own VWAP from important pools. Yeah, VWAP is used by it's I think a lot of stock trading is based on VWAP. So I think a lot of Wall Street guys and entities are using VWAP here on Bitcoin, same way. Yeah, so choppy.
Has anyone tried the desktop Excel charts?
Yeah, Bram is testing.
Version?
Yeah, we have people trying it, but it's not yet ready. There are some disadvantages. What we need is we need to import templates from web to desktop. This is now not possible. When this happens, okay. If you are serious with trading, you go for desktop. But it's gonna be 200 a month, okay? So it's just now it's for free or maybe cheap, but yeah, later it's gonna be expensive. It's aimed for institutions more than normal traders. But there is no magic there, You need just web based. You have everything there.
Yeah, I was trying it out and I found it was kind of more responsive, less laggy, but yeah, some of the templates don't import as well. But
it's more optimized. Sentiment template. I didn't open this template for a very long time. That's what you do as a trader. You evolve, and sometimes you stop using things. Well, I'm not stop using it, but there was no need anyway. This template is good for me when I'm a bit confused what is the big guys are doing, but today was not confusion day. And this is not volume. Like when you have big decisive day, you have 100-200 million accumulated sales from big traders. Then I know they are really trying to sell in the market, but this is nothing, you know. This is just 44 million. Maybe they are just taking profit. Anyway, the rest of the market, the other three rows are also important. So everyone was longing today. Where is the session start? Oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of longs came from this point. Anyway, market loses this area, all this area, because this was still not enough pain for longs. We just need to go more down, then it can cause really nice downside, at least to 50k, 49k. The fuel is here. But yeah, there is no sign of it's gonna happen. For now, it's just range. It's important to know we have such a powerful uptrend. Market can be irrational longer than you think, and then longer than your wallet think. And when you have a bad sell position from here, market can just squeeze you. You know, there is no sign of weakness. So any short for me today was just scalp. There was only one day trade. That's it. You know, no weakness at all in the market. We just need to wait for weakness to the up there. Weekly, that's Bitcoin. That's crazy. You know, he can just run. No weekly weakness. Monthly is looking even better. Crazy. If this month closes green, this is 3 walking soldiers. I don't know this formation, but this is a very powerful formation when you have 3 very nice green candles. You can see here 1, 2, 3, and then we had how much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of upside. So yeah, this can easily take out all-time high and go up. We will see. We are scalpers in our soul, so we will try, of course, match. We have levels ready in Bybit, so we'll be trying to find our perfect short. But yeah, sometimes in case like this, we can even maybe there will be a huge dump from 58k, huge dump. Then you retrace because nothing is dumping forever, so you retrace and then you will be selling on secondary high. This is usual. This was usually the case during the big down from 60k, for example. It was the case, or during bear market. So but this is not bear market. So you don't have to catch total top. Don't have to catch. You just need big dump, retracement, maybe a small one, and then sell on it. Like trap as many people as possible. We will see when Bitcoin finds. And also, I'm trader, but yeah, I have my exposure is very big to Bitcoin, so I would like to Bitcoin to go up. Don't care. Like don't mind my trades. Like I will not get my big short. The higher, the better. That's it. Cool. So people slowly going sleep. Need to really do the trading plan. I want to I will wait for Asia and then I will make the trading plan. And I want to say I'm also so happy for all of us. We have strong traders joining to the group. Each trader is bringing the quality of the group up. Like Crypto, they are longer here, but yes, the Yoda, Steven, and IODI, They are like latest traders, and also today I had like 5 messages from more experienced traders. So I'm really glad our group is getting like recognition. I think it's helping. We are visible in Discord now, so more serious people can find us, not just XCA kids. I'm glad there is no XCA kids anymore.
Thanks, CB. Thanks for your time.
No problem at all.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So Clouds, who you have some question?
My monitor is wrecked, it's not working, so
Oops.
I wasn't able to take too many trades. But today's trade was very easy. Yes, the rejections, I took one trade.
Yeah.
And since I am actually coming from the alt to Bitcoin, so I still have some alts longing like BCH and something.
Oh, okay. Why BCH?
Its all-time high is like 1600, so it's I took a long from 700, say 650 or something.
Okay.
Then it 780 or something, so it gave me like 300 400 profit.
Yeah.
So it was nice, but since my monitor is wrecked, it's not working. So in one monitor is kind of hard to, the 13 inch is not working for me.
Yeah, but one monitor is not so bad, I trade 90% of time on one monitor, like on TV.
I just the 13 inches, right? I do need another monitor, it's a big one. And since there's a lot of things that you have been teaching, like exhausters and everything, and I'm trying to understand all these things, put together and take something from them. Sometimes I can get the TRDR gets a clear signal, and sometimes we know the levels that is gonna, sometimes I see the limit orders, and my question is that we know the limit orders is there, and the people, they also know it, so I can short it before it goes there. Sometimes the SFP, and you talk about the limit orders, sometimes the BTC does not touch there, it just gets there and it just goes up or goes down. So we know that limit order is there, and why the other people do not know. And I think the market order is very strong because it can spoof, it can comes and goes, and sometimes the some orders are not also seen in the chart.
Exactly, yeah.
So those are very strong impact. Limit orders probably not, resting orders probably is not impacting the market much. But it's still, my question is why this limit orders is, people may know that is being seen on the chart. So why is that? Why it is placed there?
It's market psychology. Sometimes it's just to scare people. So you see it many times. You have big level, like a big order book, and we use TRDR, and market just retraces because there is no volume to break it. People take profit. I don't think it's very, very hard. It's fear, and it's a lot of fear. Yeah.
It's purely psychological.
A lot of psychology. Markets is all about psychology. Everything has meaning. Even bots are programmed when they see a lot of like big limit orders, and they calculate average volume for today. It's we have a lot of bots trading as well, so they know it's high, like less probable you will break the level, so they just take profit on trades. Everything has meaning.
All right.
But what I notice, when you fill big orders, they usually get reaction and market turns. When you really get big fill orders, we do not get them often, like because they can be hidden on Bitfinex. But when visible orders are here, like filled, they get perfect reactions many times. But I would never trade out of it alone. I need something else there. So first technical analysis, then I look to order books. If it aligns, perfect. It's just no brainer.
All right.
Yeah, today is such a nice range.
Yeah. Today is easy. Sometimes the market is very choppy, then I do not like it because I get scared, like it's going up and down, probably liquidating 25x 50x people, shorting and longing from there. But when the market is clean, it's easy to take long and short from.
Yes,
Even
we
if
have
you do not
structure
see
now.
the chart.
So
Yeah.
if there is no structure, it's hard. But now we have nice structure.
Yeah. It makes it a lot easier to trade.
Just no volatility. Today is not many trades. We really need USA and all this together. Asia. Lixco leaving 2. Okay, so buy. Like that. What is your time now, Cloud?
It's 2 a.m. and close to 3 a.m.
What is your time zone?
It's +6 GMT.
Ooh. Okay, quite late. So you waited for talk, or you are just a night person?
I woke up. I was set an alarm that I'm going to wake up and attend your.
Wow, nice. Yeah, and do you work or you not work? Or you just try to trade?
Right now, I was in some companies, the tech companies, and I was like a contractor for them. Right now, the business is really bad, so I'm not working.
Okay.
It's kind of hard in Bangladesh.
I see.
But we do have some business, so it's fine. Because of the corona, a lot of things have changed in Bangladesh.
Yeah, world changed a lot, truly.
Yeah.
There is more trading there, that's for sure. That's good thing.
And I'm enjoying the trading that you made it very simple. I still do have stupid mistakes sometimes here and there, but it's still because of the the TRDR can still give some trades without even seeing the charts and everything. It can give you trade. And also the the levels that you have mentioned, the global GZ, those levels also give you some trades, even if they do not understand anything else. That itself can give you some few trades in a 2-3 days, of course.
Yes.
Someday you can trade from the just the levels you have mentioned. It can be a no-brainer. Even if you do not understand order blocks and the exo charts and everything, it can also give you some nice trades.
Yeah. Like today, Naked Pog was just no-brainer.
Yeah. It's very easy.
It also needs quick hands. You just need to sell immediately.
Yeah.
There was no time. There was just 10 seconds and crazy,
Yeah.
I was, because I'm on TV and I didn't have time to like switch between exo charts, but I was hearing those heavy selling bits, It was big buying, but then heavy bit sells. Some 10 million was an FTX was selling here, so a lot of big sells, it was no-brainer, truly.
Yeah. I have also set it the Agar, and it was funny listening to the music ting 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 coming on, and I'm getting addicted to it. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's a confirmation that the market is selling and market is going up. It's a confirmation, big orders. You can see that.
Exactly.
And I also I was talking with people in Bangladesh, and lots of people are interested. So I was like invest some money in there, and they agreed. But they do not know, they do not have an idea about trading, but they do trade in stocks. And can you believe they do not look at the charts? They
can just swing, as you said. The swing is easiest. And right now we don't have chance to swing for past 2 months, so either we get it at 58k or we get big downside and we load up lower at 40k. So make them ready by then.
Yeah.
Like really 40k first orders and then 35k. That's it.
I'm sorry, the 45?
Like for swing for lower, 40k right. And then 35k.
Yeah.
If we get it, I'm not sure if we get it now, but if we get it, that's pretty decent entry.
Yeah, that would be very decent. But the market is really strong. Do you think that it can come down? Like, 40, I can understand it can come to 48, but 45, 30.
It can, yes, it can go down because of this.
Right? Nothing goes up for you said it, yeah. Nothing can go up for long.
Like nothing bad will happen to market if it comes here to 42k. Nothing bad. It will be fine. The only problem for the market is when you start closing under 35k, then we'll probably see bottom of the range. But 45k, 40k is perfectly fine. It's just nice. This is nice. These fibs are very nice. It will be like perfect entry, swing failure pattern of all these lows, or maybe here. 38k, perfect, like swing failure pattern here up. It's quite deep, but yeah, I would like to see 40k hold. 39 to 40k is my swing trade entry at the moment. Yeah, but market is super strong. Market is strong, and this is coming from spot. Like perpetuals are not overheated. Yeah, so because I truly think Bitcoin is going to 100k and 200k. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of years. We don't know when. It's just too scarce asset, you know.
Yeah, it's hard capped.
Yeah. I think Bitcoin is going to be very valuable in the future. We have altcoins for volatility and for other things, but Bitcoin is going to be very, very valuable. This is very good article. I want to post some things from it to the group. Why is Bitcoin volatile and why it's going to be volatile still? So important.
Is that your article or you're posting it?
No, not me. I just found
right.
No, I have article. It's fine. But very nice info here. So I want to make it into the group. Cool. So other guys, are you muted? Yes. No, you cannot talk today. Martin is just listening. Martin is at work probably. He cannot talk. Cool. Okay. If you want to talk about anything else, MP is here.
Yeah. I was just curious, how was your holiday? Everything good? Liquidated legs?
What did you liquidate?
No. How was your holiday?
Oh.
You were camping on mountains and you said your legs were liquidated.
Yeah. Holiday was perfect, but yeah, I have bad stamina, so I need to exercise more. This corona weakened me, you know.
You got like tired?
Yes,
corona also?
We went to the mountain, you know, and it was crazy going down. Like I couldn't walk next day, so.
Oh, that's horrible. You need to make some more exercise.
Yeah, I have an air bike in home, which is this powerful bike, so I need to go more on it and need to be more active. Yeah. 1 year ago, I would have no problem with a track like this. This one, yeah, easy. But yeah, it was nice, relax. I feel really recharged. So maybe every 2 months I take a few days off, and I'm really, really ready again for trading and for group. So all is good.
I got a question about the ExoChart. You said this desktop version going cost like 2,000 per month or something like that.
No, $200.
200. I heard.
But
wrong.
for now it's for free, I think, because it's beta. But later when it's released, I think it's gonna be expensive. Because it will have many advantages, like you will be able to chart inside. A lot of advantages which we are missing. So when we can do golden zone inside the ExoChart, I think it's gonna be amazing.
Okay, it will be amazing if you can actually trade inside it.
Yeah, it's also faster, you know, much more faster and not so heavy on a CPU.
Yeah.
The guy is working on it, so every month there is big patch. So we just need to be patient, and I think this year we will sort it out for desktop.
Maybe do you have the same problem? Yeah. Do you have the same problem like I have on the Excel? If you open up the few tabs, they just froze. You only can have one tab open it.
One tap? Okay, I have no problem. I have 3 taps, but I have a strong computer, so...
I
Was
can't
your
say
PC?
my computer is. Yeah, my PC is quite strong also, but there's something wrong because we open it like 3 tabs, they all get stuck. That's it.
Really? No, not
Yeah.
happening for me. There is no delay.
Yeah, I have this as well. I think it's probably the PC power, but the desktop version I'm finding is working much faster, much more responsive.
It is, yeah, but I had this problem as well, was slow. But I don't see this problem anymore. Always try to find another browser.
Yeah, I tried one with Chrome and one with Opera browser, and it works a bit better. But when you do multiple tabs on the same, it seems to freeze up. But I think it's just my PC is too weak.
Yeah.
It
Not
might
sure.
help
Maybe.
if you pull the tab out. So like what you see here with CB is 20 plus tabs next to each other. But if you pull the extra tab out of it, for me it worked. It didn't freeze anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you mean like a extra window, not in the tab?
Yeah, indeed.
Okay, I will try that.
Yeah, Chrome is not best for this. Anyway, Chrome is very hungry for memory. I have 64 memory, I think, gigabytes. So I have no problem, you know. I like it. Memory must be there, you know. Sometimes I was running 2-3 games at the same time, and there was no problem. It was crazy. It's a mistake. Yeah, I want to buy a new graphic card, 3080. But they are still quite expensive because of mining. Don't like it. Double price, you know. Not good. I want to buy OLED TV as well, so I want to see what's the big difference between LED and OLED. Will be fun. Bitcoin still doing nothing. Yeah, when there's nothing happening, you just educate yourself or anything else, movies, games.
Do you still own the Solana?
Solana, okay, I own maybe 35%, I think I have led of the stack. You know, we talked with Bram when to sell because he has some stack as well. So I was selling at $70, then at $100, and now at 140 I was selling. I have still 35%, and I said, Bram, when we lose $100 for Solana, then I will be selling more. But we did never lose 100. It was psychological level and support. So it is so helpful when you are trader. For hodling is important. Maybe in future I will do like once a month my favorite picks for hodling, what I hodl right now, what I did with portfolio. Maybe I will do that as well. Because I really past a year or two I timed really well market for my hodls. Okay. But I think Solana can be 10 times bigger than is now. It can be new Ethereum in my eyes, Cardano or Solana. So you need to keep always some stock. You cannot get rid of it completely. I will sell everything, but I will keep Solana, always something. We can just 10x, you know, and
yeah, that's true.
Because it's really the scalability is there, and I was a bit reading about the project. So it's super fast. There is a zero fees. I'm sending Solana every day sometimes, and zero fees, super fast, big scalability. You know, Ethereum is choked up all the time with something. Yeah, why? We remember who was first. Amazon is now the biggest company on retail, but who was first? I think it was Yahoo or something like this. That's always the case. You have the first ones, first companies, but they don't succeed. Maybe third generation succeed, like Solana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you okay?
Do you make some trades on altcoins?
No trade, just Ethereum a bit. But yeah, just Ethereum. No time, and there is no reason. Bitcoin is giving you all of the money, and it's too easy money. Because when you go to altcoins, it's more. I think it's more risky. I cannot imagine to have 85% win ratio there. Maybe yes, I don't think so, because it's too volatile, too much retail, emotions. And also why I would be trading asset which is based on Bitcoin, because they move usually based on Bitcoin most of the
Yeah,
time,
that's actually-
80%. You want to
That's
trade
actually-
core asset first.
Yeah, that's actually why I started to trade Bitcoin. I used to trade altcoins like Solana, ADA, and that kind of coins and Matic.
Yeah.
But and then I had to run separate scheme just for the Bitcoin to see how that moves. So I know how the alt moves. So I thought, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Why I'm using so much resource for that? I can just trade the Bitcoin. What moves everything else anyway?
Yes. Like you see here, I don't think you get much often this on altcoins. Like $52,000 asset is reacting $10 to the naked point of control. Like if you sell here, you can have 0.05% stop loss immediately if it goes down. So this is why we trade Bitcoin. Easy money, tight stop loss. If you have good size, you make a lot of money, no problem.
Yeah, that's so.
Altcoin is so risky, because Bitcoin sneezes here, and like you maybe do not even have naked point of control on Solana. It's going into resistance, into no zone. Bitcoin is hitting resistance, and they go all down. So no way. Maybe one day Bitcoin decouples from altcoins, then it might be possible, but not yet.
Yeah, but
yeah.
this we might not see in a couple of years, so no worries on that, I think.
Yeah. There is possibility Bitcoin decouples when it's gonna be a matured asset, okay? Because right now Bitcoin is always in an exploration phase. It's compared to Internet of 1999, I think that's right now. So we need few more years, and when it's matured, when even pensions, big state pensions on Bitcoin, they will bring a lot of more stability to the price. And then it can act actually as a loan asset. Like altcoins, they will be volatile, and then Bitcoin is going to be maybe a more stable coin. Like I do not think we need to worry now. It will take few years minimum. Then we will be retired anyway. So I'm already working on retirement, so I have no problem. Like I right now I'm staking on Bybit, so because they released new contract, it's called dual mining, and you get 0.5% per day of your investment. So it's crazy because it's in the bank you get 1% per year. They are just robbers, And now Bybit released this. It's perfect because you are providing liquidity to Bybit. I think they are mining a bit with this money. It's USD Tether. If you give if you give 10k, you get $50 every day. So you get return on the investment in 1 year.
That's crazy.
That's really crazy, and it's you are doing contract every day, so your money is locked only 24 hours. It's not weeks. So everyone who has some cash, all of you, aside, like you made some money from HODL or something, you should do this because it's Tether, so it's not. It's fine. There is no exposure to crypto. It's perfect. Like crypto is future truly because of this. I hate staking because you stake Cardano drops 30%, and all your staking for past few months is destroyed by Cardano dropping. But this contract, for example, dual mining, you have Tether, so you are perfectly fine.
But CP, have you heard about some horrible stories about Tether? Because I haven't looked into it, but time to time in one of our small group, the national group, there is some points, there's like messages, the Tether, it's focused. Let's say, it hasn't been hacked.
Conspirations, dude. No, you can ignore it. It's fine.
Conspiration.
No,
okay.
They say it for years and nothing is happening. It's like there is nothing shady there. There was they investigated them. They have reserves, And if Tether goes down, I think your least worry will be Tether, because then everything will crash.
Yeah,
This
that's
will
what I
cause
thought,
a
because
bear market.
that's of course.
So for sure,
massive
I'm
scale
not.
and
I'm not in Tether much. So I only made Tether for this mining, stacking, and no, I'm not in Tether.
okay.
I was actually booking just a lot of money from HODL to dollars and to euros, and now I will pay tax. I just want to have cash in case, and that's it, Always clever approach. Trading money is not your money until it's on your bank account. That needs to be remembered. It's only potential which you can lose if you break some rules or something.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, my big loss was in April or May, I think. One of these days when we had take a 10k drop on weekend, this wrecked me 10%. Oh, that was biggest loss this year. So, but few days later it was. If you are an okay trader, then you will made it back. Yeah, I wanted to know everyone who is in Legends how he's doing trading. But you are online now, so you are growing account.
Yeah, actually, I was growing pretty fast, and but then I started to look more into this Bram footprint together with Bram, and then I had too high hopes that would way, so I made some bad trades, but now it's getting better again.
Nice. Yes, Bram is changing, affecting people.
Yeah, because it was just I was hoping way too much from this template date, and I took that as a not as a primary confluence, but I took you know too strong confluence. But
Yes.
that was wrong move. And now I'm seeing it another way, and that's a good point.
Yeah, very clever. And you, Sakrif, are you growing account? Trading is going up now, PNL?
Yeah, slowly, not too fast, but slowly.
No, that's fine. That's not too slow, not too fast.
Like I said, sometimes I trade at work, but that doesn't always play out nicely. And then when I'm back at home, sitting quietly behind the PC, then I make up for my mistake at work. So yeah.
Yeah, that's nice to hear. I can tell you, when I chat with people, we have really. I think our group is gonna be best truly, because I see some people do 2-week winning streak, 1 month winning streak, 1 week winning streak. It never happened in their life, so I think that's the game changer when you start constantly winning. Like I try to learn you so much stuff and coaches and good traders here, but I think it's so simple. It's just you wait for trade to get to good level. I always get this question: how do I know what level is strong and what level is not? Really need to make a video about it. Truly, it's not so hard.
Actually, that's what I'm looking for, this Bram footprint.
Yes.
But actually, you can even get it from there. That's why it is important and nice.
Yeah. Bitcoin still doing nothing. We need to remember naked liquidity is number one for your trades. Naked daily and naked point of controls. And depends if it's session, daily and weekly and monthly, then this is really key. Like those are certain trades you just need then order flow. You need to watch order flow, and if you see signal, then you go for it. What is the date? Just want to check here. Today was order flow was not so. Here is the top. Sometimes it's very easy in order flow, sometimes it's harder, like tricky, and you do not get clear signal. If you are not sure, you just do not enter. That's why I think the aggregate is so important, because we see volume just on Bybit, yeah, but the other exchanges can have different opinions, so it's best to always listen to them, because here I can see heavy selling. This was top today, yeah. I can see heavy selling, but it's not the strongest signal in the world. A lot of imbalances, yeah, over here, yeah, market very aggressive and price is not going up. So yes, it is giving signal. It's not strongest one, but the aggregate trade, I was hearing big huge sells. It's much easier to take this trade on that naked point of control. And so many longs here, you know, the price trapped all of them. Then we had a lot of potential fuel, so all these longs from here, they just caused the downside here. If the longs were like flat, they are going flat, there would be not so down reaction, but market always wait for the right moment to surprise you. Big fuel up, and all of them wrecked. And it's not dropping because a lot of people are still longing into these drops, yeah. That's why it's not dropping, but I can guarantee you these longs from here, they were just wrecked totally on this move down. And here we are. This was the bottom today, and it was pretty nice. That's what you want to see. It was actually very good bottom based on order flow. A lot of aggressive. Look how many shorts over here. I can even, like 20 million at least, but the price, you know, and here 85 million absorbed. This was your signal, you know, the absorptions are going on here heavy. One more push here, not going down, and buyers started to come in. Perfect. Open interest. Now we will turn off these because open interest is also very important. So you can see open interest is going down. This was the final stop loss, we can say, for those was just it's confirming here 11 million longs destroyed, open interest down, and since then open interests are rising. So fresh longs coming in, market did the duty to destroy longs, and you go with the trend. So tight stop loss. It was on technical reason as well. So order flow confirmed for you. The technical analysis levels are holding. This was easy trade. I just took lunch here. I took profit on the short here. I went to lunch. I just cannot trade all day. So this for you was high probability long today. No brainer. Just want to see how, yeah, we are still holding. And now this we can turn off. This was the latest long we had here. Like, this is crazy, you know. I don't know who absorbed 660 million, but oof, that's really a lot. Because you can have scattered sales like here, like scattered on many prices, but when you have 60 million at the same level, it is showing you someone huge is sitting at just at this level. It is giving you confluence for small scalp long. I think it was golden zone or maybe 0.5. It measured from here.
It was a golden zone.
Oh yeah, then no brainer.
I took it.
So, and how much market was it worth it when we measure the move? I want to see at least 0.5 or 0.4. Oh yeah, it was very, very worth it. I really look for 0.5 because I have market order fee, then I can limit out here, and I'm happy. Crazy absorption. Like nothing. There was no dropping. All this selling here. So everyone is listening while they go sleep. Crazy. When you go sleep, Sakrif, what is your routine?
Yeah, normally 1 hour before Asia.
Okay.
That is 1 o'clock in my time. Yeah.
And when you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Wow, you're a machine.
Oh well.
Dude, you are a very strong worker.
Ah, well.
Hard, yes, very hard. Is it enough for you 5 hours of sleep? Like for me, it's never enough.
If I go to bed earlier, I just stay awake. So yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just try to wait for Asia, but the last hour I don't. I can't anymore.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see. So Bram is here watching the group. Maybe he's watching the stream. Who knows? I also, I can. It's funny, but yeah, I invested $1,000 just for fun to emerging NFT game. So we'll see if I make some money there. It will be fun to watch. But I would never buy NFT picture. It's just crazy. People paying huge money for rock. How is possible? All those Twitter people, they are buying pictures for $200,000 into their Twitter. Like it's when I see those pictures, it's crazy. I can't even make that. It's like
There's one NFT sold for more than the most expensive painting. Correct?
Yeah.
Madness. Very madness.
I don't understand. I really don't understand. But sometimes we don't understand, and there can be change in society. I don't know. Like I would be if it would be like virtual reality, some assets, inside, but not just flat 2D picture. Why?
I don't know. Madness.
But madness anyway. It is pulling a bull market for us, so it's fine.
But there's some kind of virtual word like mana is maybe was the currency over there. I can't remember the virtual word. You can actually buy the lands, houses, all that kind of stuff.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, I think it was in previous bull run. This, what do you say?
Yeah, and also the one plot of land cost the biggest price. Maybe it was 10 million or something like this, and it was sold.
Yeah.
If I remember correctly. So this is a little bit, it's.
Yeah, crazy. Also, I can.
Maybe this.
Anyone else was from you online? You didn't trade Forex, right? MP or Sacrif?
No, I never have. The Forex, I think this is. Yeah, I never have tried that. There was another Lithuanian guy. I think he said he's going to rewatch it. I think it was EP. Yeah.
Yeah. And you, Sacrif, you didn't trade anything else before crypto?
I entered the normal stock market in 2008. I got kicked out really fast with the crash then. And I was just shocked and didn't enter at all-time low. Same with the 2018, and then I started with crypto, and it dropped very hard then. And I just left it with profit.
Mm-hmm.
I bought a nice drone of it, and that was it.
Okay. Pretty okay, the experience. Because I just remembered I invested in bot. It was Forex bot of one guy, and it was the bot was producing really good money, but then the Euro Swiss franc it was 120 fixed rate for 3 years, I think. So you could scalp just few pips and few like small movements. Market was doing it for years, but the central bank come and they removed the spec. So 120 was the exchange rate, and in 1 minute it dropped 30%. So it killed all the bots which were doing this. And I lost like 20k. I think it was my biggest loss in that time. I even forgot about it because I was doing video about my trading journey. I didn't even remember, but yeah, this I pushed it from my mind. It was a lot of money for me back then. Fucking hell, So bots are really need to be careful, because if they cannot turn off based on bad liquidity or black swan event, can cause big problem.
I did try a bot on 3 commas earlier this year.
Yeah.
So I started again this year, I think in February, and I tried some bots, and some other programs. But yeah, I ended there.
Yeah. Bots can work, but if they work, then the person is somewhere else, not selling it. This will be selling to the
Yeah.
bank with a big liquidity, not to normal people.
But the bots, I think the problem is because the market is changing, time to time, every 3 months or so. But the bots they don't just follow up, and that's the problem. If you're using the bot, you need to actually keep eye on it every day, the same as you do the scalping or swing trade or whatever.
Yeah.
Not that easy just to let it run and run forever. Never works like that.
Yes. And also, I think there could be bot for maybe in future. Some of the members here will make the bot for Golden Zone only, maybe, because this is why it's working on Bitcoin. There are bots trading just the Golden Zone. So maybe just for this, maybe one day we will see.
Yeah, we have one member, the German engineer. Maybe he's coming up with that.
Yes. Indeed, yes. He's very data oriented.
Yeah, we see.
Yes. And what do you do, MP? You work?
Actually, yeah, I'm running my business. We have talked about that.
Oh yes.
Private chat.
So we have same like Amir, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm running my business. Yeah, and I'm trying to sell it on some point. I just need to finish few contracts, and then I can be like a full-time trader. At the moment, it's a little bit crazy. I need to trade. I got my business, then I got 2 kids, and it's a little bit hard, but
Oh yeah.
I will manage.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yes. But you will get there for sure. You want to do it this year or maybe next year?
This year, definitely. I want to get rid of it all my old stuff and just think like I'm starting a new life.
Okay.
The way for the business, I've been running quite many years, like 15 years.
Yeah.
And some points I had like over 100 workers and loads of clients. So I think they have killed my personality. So I just need to have some rest.
Yes. 15 years is more than enough. Yes, it's time to be less stress trader.
Exactly. Let's put it this way. This is what I've been doing this young man game. So
Yeah.
too much stress. I can't say, that trading, like, this is also the young man's game, but I think I'm not that old, so I will manage.
Yeah. Like you can make some passive investments first, and then do trading as well. So you
Yeah.
don't feel pressure. It's very important.
Actually, it is very important, yes.
Yeah, because when I was learning, I had no pressure because I had income from company. I think that's very important. So I admire people who are learning here and they have job, and it's not easy, but it is possible with our help.
Yeah, that's completely true.
Yeah, and I had friends, they switched to full-time trading from job. They left the job and they failed because they had pressure on them. They need to make money for bills. Like I must find a trade. That's the first thing you cannot do. Like searching trades and bad setups. Yeah, so no pressure. That's very important.
Yeah, I remember when I started, it was like this, I wanted to succeed so badly, so I didn't succeed. But if you feel relaxed and you don't give a fuck, basically, and you just see, okay, now it's the nice setup, let's take it, and you have to win. But if you're pushing yourself in the trade, then you fail 100%.
Yes.
Agree.
Exactly. It is journey for all of us. It was same for me, same for everyone. I know it happened like 2 years. Like I remember this day I just woke up and I said myself, okay, I don't have to chase trades. I just take good trades, good setups. And since then it was the winning. It's pretty simple. Like we use now much more stuff than I was using before. I was really using Golden Zone, for example, back then. First 10 videos, yes, I was using first year, we can say. No exo charts. So right now for me it's easiest trading ever, and you have all the tools you need to be really a good trader. But yeah, this experience is most important. I need to talk
Do you
about.
follow the patterns also?
What I follow?
No, I'm just asking, do you follow any patterns?
Patterns?
Like,
No, not much.
Yeah.
Like I see them, but I don't want to trade them. I don't want to do it what the retail do. I see head and shoulders, of course, but it's always
Yeah,
tricky.
but out there is the load pool traders who are using it. I'm not saying we should do it. If we do the scalping, this is a different game, but like big swing traders, they are doing this quite often.
Yeah. Like we have a lot of room for growth, and we can add them. We can add later. For example, harmonics, they are pretty okay because they are quite complex. Not every retail trader know how to do them. So harmonics are pretty okay. Triangles are fine, and but yeah, many patterns are very dangerous because people place stop loss at a certain place, and the market will just come for the stop loss. So it is not needed at all. It is not needed at all. So Elliott waves are really nice. That's what I like. What else? Yeah, Elliott waves.
Yeah, the Elliott waves is quite complicated. That's why I think it works also. And that's based on psychology.
Yeah. Yeah, there are people who learn this for years, to be good Elliott wave trader. So it's not easy. But I think right now we have more than enough tools to be really good, like traders, no problem.
Yeah.
Like I want to finish scalpers. I think scalpers are really, really well prepared right now in the group. Like really, not so much to add. Now we will add liquidations and that's it, for now. And then yes, I need to learn order blocks because this I don't know how to search. It was like my weakness. I see pretty good traders here in the group, and all of them use order blocks, so I want to see them. But anyway, order blocks usually align with what we use. So usually daily or 4 hours support or something like this. But yeah, I want to learn this. So scalpers are really ready in our group. Swing traders pretty fine. We have TRDR and this. We have for day traders and swing we have TRDR and order books. But day traders we need more things there. Yes, because some people, they need it. Yeah.
On the day trade, it's maybe a little bit more easier because you just go to trade and you go out and you don't pay that much fees and you don't need to, keep eye on the monitors that much, I think.
Yes. But also day trade, the good day trade is born from scalp, so that's the problem.
Yeah.
Because we have tight stop loss and we earn money for stop loss, so it depends on the risk of the person. So maybe that's why I'm saying the hybrid is the best probably trader. So it doesn't like I'm watching charts maybe 2 hours a day, but I have alerts. I'm listening to the volume. And also, I mark levels, so I'm ready. But hybrid trading is the best. So you are prepared to be scalper when needed, and then you can log your stop loss money profit, and then let the trade play out. We will see.
Yeah, time will tell.
Yep. JXCV joined. Hello, dude.
Hello.
So why so late? Now you're free?
No, I was with my girlfriend, and then I got back, saw you were online, so I thought I'd join.
Okay, nice. So how is life going for you?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Lots of reading.
Breathing, yeah.
Reading.
Oh, reading. Okay. So what do you study? You still study the trading, yeah, what we discussed?
Yeah, quantitative finance mostly, algorithms, machine learning, stuff like that.
Nice. So I hope you will make some nice bot in future.
I'm working on it.
I think we just discussed it. You know, the potential bot should be really based on maybe Golden Zone, or maybe I know you want to go for order flow more.
Order flow works a bit better because you can take advantage of things like liquidations and the fact that the vast majority of market orders are uninformed.
Yeah, they are.
So if you can have a good enough model for estimating the amount of informed trading, then you could probably, if you're accurate enough, make a bot that could trade on 100x all day. It'd be all right.
Yeah. Also, you saw that 60 million short, yeah?
I haven't looked today.
Oh, you haven't? Okay.
To be honest, no.
Yeah,
Is that short?
Yeah, I'm just showing on the screen. Look here. Like 60 million absorbed, yeah? It's pretty nice. Yeah. The guy would be logging this, yeah, if no stream. And we had 0.5% bounce.
Bybit and BitMEX.
Bybit. Yeah.
All right. Well, both of them, they both have, they know whose UID makes the trade. And so if they know they're uninformed, then they're happy to bet against them.
Yes.
Yeah. Did they get liquidated or not yet?
Yeah, and also the BitMEX now I'm watching the liquidation levels from BitMEX as well. This is very useful. So you will be using HighBlog or what?
HighBlog, what's that?
You don't? Oh, you should really watch. You know, it's liquidation levels.
I've been deep into the quant stuff at the moment.
Yeah, it's nice to see. And in work, is everything okay?
Yeah, good. I mean, I got that promotion and then nothing happened for a while, and then all of a sudden it all kicked off this week. So I've been really busy this week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Although I make time for trading though. I still have 2 or 3 good trades a day, so I'm happy.
That's really great. So but I see you sometimes you play game, so you can still always find some time to play some game too.
Yeah, well, I got I've got like on one monitor is trading, one monitor is game, one monitor is coding. So
yeah, you are true. Yeah, usually gamers are good traders. So.
Oh really?
Yeah, there was a study. Like the best background for traders is usually gamer.
That makes sense. I mean,
because we want to win. We are competitive, you know, and
it's a game, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm with games from 3 years old, so I'm Prince of Persia. My grandfather showed me, and I was going.
Prince of Persia. What was that on the PS1 or something?
No PS1. You are too young your generation, probably. What are you? How old are you? 25?
22.
22. Oh, okay. So that's why.
Yeah.
No. There was no PS1.
I think my first I had a Prince of Persia game. I actually copied it on a floppy disk.
Yes. Yes, it was floppy disk times.
It was crazy.
It was the computer was Commodore, I think, or maybe 286. It was just shit, you know.
But I still miss the sound of those computers. The really computers.
So slow. Everything was so slow.
Yeah, slow, but it was the way it started at the sound, the beaming sound. It was really cool. Nowadays the computer doesn't make any sound at all.
Yes,
it's completely silent.
Like graphic cards can be angry sometimes.
Yeah.
Mine is always angry.
Yeah.
Now I think I bought a Switch. I have a Switch, so I am too lazy to play PS4 on the monitor. So I bought a Switch. It's a Nintendo Switch game, so I could play those, the old games, the Final Fantasy games on it.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
I remember last year I was not sleeping, and it was before the group. All right, the group was not. Yes, I was more like gaming and just trading, and I was not sleeping. And all day I had information there will be PS5 on Amazon for 5 minutes. So I was not sleeping all day, and I was just refreshing all day. But I got it, So from UK, when there was not, it was not possible to get.
I saw people, refreshing and trying to order it, and the next screenshot is next screen fresh is gone, and they couldn't get it, and they're very they're in despair.
Yes. Yeah. It
So
was,
you play PS5 or you play on PC?
I'm PC in Seoul for all life, but first time I bought a PlayStation just 1 year ago, and I like it. Some games they are just not on PC, and I played God of War and Last of Us. It's crazy. I like it. I think the best writers are on PlayStation right now. Games.
The Last of Us, yes.
But PC, we just PlayStation do not have good games like PC as well. So.
No. There is a PlayStation is for people can argue that it's for hardcore gamers, but it's not. It's more of a casual side. But in the PC, hardcore gamers for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But my eyes really shine because when you have good TV and 4K and you game, it's amazing.
Yeah, HDR and everything. Yeah. PS5 can be really immersive gaming.
Yeah. My friend has VR, so he's more flying space and Elite Dangerous and simulators. It's really also very, very nice.
Alright, has anyone experienced playing PS2 or PS1, or just all the way PS?
I started with the PS1, yeah.
Yeah. My first game was Final Fantasy X. It was in PS2. I didn't even know that those existed.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a PC gamer, Windows 95 and all those previous version of PC.
Oh yeah.
And I think I actually even played games on DOS. When I started, it was just black screen.
Yeah, I played on DOS. Yeah, that was the start. The blue.
Yeah.
How old are you? 30 something?
Yeah, I'm 36.
Okay, I'm 34. So who is older here? Anyone else?
Now you're the king. You're just
We are boomers.
Yeah, I think. I think I'm the oldest over here.
He got it. He's the Viking. Yeah.
Nice.
41 years.
So we are boomers. We boomers. Yes. And JXCV is a Generation X.
Am I?
I don't know, Generation X or something else. What's the second name? There are two.
There's millennials, were they? They're 90s, 80s, 90s.
Yeah. So are you millennial?
I think you're a millennial. I think it's an older generation than most people think.
Ah, yeah. But on Twitch, they say, they even say to me, boomer, for example. Because I knew phones when you had to dial up, and some things you don't see anymore.
I'm pretty sure that is millennial.
Yeah. Okay.
I think my dad's a millennial and he's 50 something.
That's strange.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's an old generation. I think boomers are mostly.
Then I used it wrong way. But on Twitch, for example, everyone is boomer who is like older than 30.
Oh, right.
Anyone born between 1981 and 1969 is a millennial, I see here.
Oh, okay. So my dad's a bit older then.
It's me. Oh, no, it's not me. I'm before the millennial. Oh, madness.
Ancient of days.
Very, internet was so slow back then, It was dial-up from a phone.
Yeah.
That sound is scary till today,
When you lost signal. Dial it and it was epic.
Yeah.
I once forgot to turn the internet off, and my dad needed to pay €600.
Oh shit!
My God. Guilders back then.
What's the name? Gulliver or Gilhams or what for that currency?
Oh, we had guilders.
Guilders,
yes.
Guilders, okay. So when Euro come, everything went expensive in your country as well?
Yeah, basically it did. Well, within 1 year, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I think it's fine. The euro is euro currency is okay. Now it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
But think about it. There is two unions in the world who actually can print the money and nothing really happens.
Yeah.
It's US and European Union. So actually, this is really good because it's hard to have like really downside in the economy. If something happens, they just print it more.
Yes, and the world is buying the debt. Yeah.
Yes, so it's
yeah.
quite silly to think, but it works.
It's big advantage, yes, to have this printing machine.
Yeah, but if you're a smaller country, like every country by themselves, then it doesn't work. It only works when you have the big economy behind it.
Yeah. Like inflation is gonna be crazy, in this year and next year and year after. They printed so much money. It's helping crypto as well. So yeah, I've read this crazy theory like crypto will take over $1, and yeah, that will never happen. But nice stories.
This kind of news are actually really, really bad. If they are going to print that kind of news more often, then big governments they are going to do against something. So it's bad.
Yeah, I think cryptocurrencies are just preparation for digital currencies, and people are preparing people for it. We cannot know who was Satoshi. If it was a government agency or true person, you will not know. I actually do not like conspiracies not much because everyone around me seems crazy, especially now Corona and times. Don't know. Like you should doubt. Everyone should doubt about what we are getting told, but not too crazy. Yeah. It's thin ice to talk about conspirations. What is Bitcoin doing? Still nothing.
Well, I took 2 trades during the live stream.
You took trades?
Nice. Which
the
one?
long from Golden Zone? Sorry, what was your trade?
I shorted. If you can go to the chart.
Okay.
I shorted the top over there, and the golden zone just below it.
Nice.
Well, I'm pointing it with my mouse, but you don't see it, of course.
Very nice.
Yeah, I took that long and the short before it.
The order books on TRDL are actually buying these higher prices, which is kind of weird.
Yeah, there is a lot of buying going on. Yeah.
You'd think people were taking profit, but I guess not.
Like spot, yeah, there was a bearish, like all day was a bearish CVD on spot in the perpetuals. Maybe the retail is buying and the bigger market is just limiting and taking profit on them. I don't know.
I found I can't remember what the name of the paper was, but it was on institutional investors and how they split their huge orders up into smaller orders to hide them.
Yeah, they must, yes.
Yeah, 0.4% were market orders, and the rest, I think it was something ridiculous, like 20,000 other orders made up the whole order. 0.4% of which were market orders.
That was this quant trading, yeah? Like.
Well, that's an institutional trade, so they have a huge order they want to place, and they have algorithms to place the order. But the actual decision to make the order isn't decided by an algorithm.
Yeah. what we remember Michael Taylor when he was buying on the market, how they did it, you know. They said exactly, they hired a quant firm and they did millions of transactions and nobody noticed.
Yeah.
But there was constant bid in the market anyway. When there was, I remember that I was trading at, so when there was any drop, it was immediately bought up. So it was very easy trading that week. I think it was before the group even. It was at 20. It was his first purchase at 25k.
All right.
Because we established group 27 of February, and I was trading from 20k. So yeah.
Do you, have you seen Exo Desktop?
Yeah, the Bram is studying this. It's working okay.
Yeah, looks good, doesn't it? Buy a bit finally on desktop.
Yeah, I want to. I cannot make templates like he did, so we need really import templates. Until this is not there, then, you know.
Right.
Yeah, I want to see your template if it's ready then on desktop. What you planning?
Oh, I have one, but it's a bit old.
Okay, but do you like Bram template? It's very nice.
Yeah, it's. I had one similar to it.
Oh yeah, actually yes. Yeah. Are they both coming from Night Scalper? Yeah.
Yeah, originally. I made the first few Night Scalpers before I knew how to use Night Scalper, and then I made my own after I did know how. And they're all my scalping templates are based on Night Scalper.
Yeah. Very nice. What are order books doing? What is FTX? FTX is a quite big player. A lot of big volume is coming out of it. Okay.
Anyway, I need to go. Thanks a lot for the talk.
Yes, thank you, and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I will see you all in the chat anyway. Yeah.
See you. Bye bye.
Okay. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Yes. I think, guys, we can close it as well. We did it more than 2 hours, so it's very decent. Time to go to eat something very nice, some pizza. Yes.
Good night. Bye-bye.
So thank you very much for talk, guys. Have a good trading, and see you next week. We'll be doing it every week, of course. Okay.
See ya.
See you guys.
See you guys.
Bye bye.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.